Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. I'm going to show you a simple way to add a professional border to your images in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open your project in Photoshop. As you can see here, I have a background image and some text layers. Now go to your background layer. If the layer is locked like mine, click on the lock icon to unlock it. Next, double-click on the background layer to open the layer style options. From the left side menu, select Stroke and check the box to enable it. To make the border visible, change the position to inside. Now use the size slider to adjust the thickness of your border. Click on the color box to change the border color. I'll choose white to make it stand out. You can also change the fill type to gradient or pattern if you want something fancier, but I'll keep it simple with a solid color. Once you're happy with your border, click OK to save the changes. Perfect. Your border is now applied. Remember, you can always edit the border by double-clicking the layer again and adjusting the stroke settings. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.